feminines and otherlings, welcome to the Poppy Rxcks Variety Show. And good afternoon to everyone that's not Michael Pratt and Matthew Wolf. We have a very exciting show planned for you today, but first, an introduction. My name's Poppy Rxcks. I'm an entertainer, artist, and entrepreneur, and this is the Poppy Rxcks Variety Show. We do art, we do movies, we do books, we do music. We do it all because it's a variety show, a Gothic variety show. And if that's something you'd like to take a bite into, then hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get into today's show. On today's episode of the Poppy Rxcks Variety Show, we have a horror short, and oh my goodness, am I excited to share this with you today. I have been binge watching every piece of content that this creator has made nonstop, and there's a lot of it, and it's so good. I'm really excited just to share a little bit with you here today. We also have a Poppy's Apothecary Review, so go grab your teddy bear, run to concession, get comfortable, because we're getting started with Poppy's Apothecary Review. Hi, welcome to Poppy's Apothecary. I'm Poppy Rxcks, and this is the show where we discuss the healing properties of crystals, potions, and plants. Today's crystal is Mazarine. This little friend helps you manifest better time management. So when the workmen come and they say they'll be there between 9 and 3, they'll always be there at 9:05. That way you're not still in your bed, in your underwear, smoking your morning herbal supplement. Follow me for more apothecary cures. Today's horror short is entitled The Locksmith's Wife. It is from the exceptional director and content creator, Alexander the Titan. This is the channel to follow. This is the channel to check out. Unbelievable content and tons of it. Like, I don't know how they find the time to put out this much incredible horror content. I have chills because I know how good it is. I've seen it. Without any further ado, today's horror short, The Locksmith's Wife.
Have you been staring at me this whole time?
Guilty.
Creep.
Seriously, though. Go home. Get some rest.
Who am I kidding? I've been working for 14 hours straight. If I work another second, I might die.
But don't forget your keys.
I never do.
Well, good. Wouldn't want you to run into the locksmith's wife.
The locksmith's wife?
Don't tell me you've never heard of the locksmith's wife. Have you ever seen an abandoned car in a big old empty parking garage or parking lot and thought, what's that all about?
Of course. We live in LA, so like, all the time.
The locksmith was an abusive man that never let his wife have any friends. And when that aggressive, abusive soul was set to meet his end, the locksmith's wife prayed to the Lord, stating that death was something that she didn't understand. She tried to be cordial, but nobody would be her company, not even her closest of kin. But on the darkest night, in a roaring wind, she started committing acts that the devil himself would not come in.
And what are these acts, Johnny boy?
If you lose or can't find your keys, she'll find you. And then she'll find your keys. And she'll offer you your keys in your trunk. You'll go for them. And when you do, she'll get you. She'll grab you and throw you in the trunk and trap you in there with your keys and live there with you for all of eternity.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and you know, people will notice the car, but they won't think anything of it. They'll just think, well, there's just another abandoned car.
Has anyone ever told you you should be a novelist or a screenwriter?
You know, you're the third person to tell me that.
I better get going.
Seriously though, get your keys, right?
John.
Hey, I just don't want you to end up as one of those abandoned cars in the parking lot.
Ain't nobody putting me in the trunk of anyone's car. John? I must be delirious. Hope I can drive home. Oh no.
Everything okay? I didn't mean to frighten you.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's just kind of creepy out and tired and a little jumpy.
Oh, how sweet.
Is everything okay here?
Did you forget your keys?
I'm sorry?
Or lose them?
Oh, my keys? No, I have my keys. I definitely have my keys. But thank you for asking. That's really sweet of you to ask.
Are you sure? I can help you out if you've in fact forgotten them. You see, my husband is a locksmith.
Well, I definitely have my keys. Yep.
Okay. But you have a good night, I guess.
Thanks. You too.
I knew you didn't have keys! Everything okay over there?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Hey, it's Rebecca. Leave a message.
Drop, you stupid bitch! Oh, I didn't do anything. You did, now shut up! Shut up, you stupid bitch! You're gonna be with me forever! Shut up, you stupid bitch! You're gonna be with me forever!
I told you. How scary is that? I'm blown away. I'm blown away. And I'm telling you, as someone that has now binge watched a significant amount of this individual's content, I can tell you this isn't even the best one. They're all good. This one's good. But there's so much good stuff to watch. Oh, I hope you all really love it as much as I do. I want to thank Alexander the Titan for letting us share their amazing horror movie on our little new growing channel. How amazing is that? Oh, I'm just thrilled. I really am. I'd like to thank everyone so much for joining us here today for the Poppy Rxcks Variety Show. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our new channel grow. Follow us on TikTok and on other social media platforms to watch additional Poppy's Apothecary Reviews. My name's Poppy Rxcks. Thank you for letting me rock your world, and I'll see you next Friday. Entrepreneur entrepreneur. And this is the Poppy Rxcks. Oh, come on, camera. Do the focusy. Help a girl out. Help a girl out. That makes me care. Still the one minute. We have a very comfy sham. We have a very comfy sham. Okay.